Good morning students, this is Subhan sir. Today we are going to proceed with question number 3rd, exercise 3.2. Third question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So measure of exterior angle is given as 24 degree and we need to obtain the number of sides of the polygon which is regular, that means all sides are equal. So as we know that the sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Therefore measure of each exterior angle is already given as 24 degree. Measure of an exterior angle is already given to us. Angle is equal to 24 degree. It is given to us. Okay. Therefore, number of sides can be easily calculated. Number of sides will be equal to 360 degree divided by the exterior angle, measure of exterior angle, that is 24 degree. Okay, now we will divide both the values. So with the help of 12 we can easily divide them. 12 to the 24, 12 3 is the 36 and 0. Okay, and then 2 will divide 15 times. So you will get 15. You will get 15. That means 15 sides are there in that regular polygon. Thus, there are 15 sides in the regular polygon having an exterior angle of 24 degree. Angle of 24 degree. Having an exterior angle of 24 degree. So 15 sides are there. Total number of sides is 15. Now question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So each of the interior angle of the polygon is given as 165 degree and we have to find the number of sides of the regular polygon. So first of all, formula is and expression is there for the sum of interior angle. Okay, sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree is that is the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. So from this formula we can easily calculate the measure of each of its angle. Okay, we can easily find measure of each of its angle. So measure of each of its angle will be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree divided by n. Okay, suppose if there are n sides of the regular polygon, then n represent the number of sides and n minus 2 multiplied by 180 upon n will represent the measure of each of the angle, interior angle. So measure of each of its interior angle, you can mention here interior angle. Okay, interior angle will be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree divided by n. Now according to question, it is given to us if each of its interior angle is 165 degree, that means each angle is 165 degree, and we have found this formula for each of the angle. That means this value will be definitely equal to 165 degree. It will be equal to 165 degree. So n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree divided by n will be equal to 165. Okay, now n will cross multiply. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n will be equal to 165 degree. Now n will multiply to 165. So 165 n, and n minus 2 into 180 will be there in the left hand side. So n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now 180 will be multiplied inside the bracket. So it will become 180 n minus 180 into 2 is 360, and it is equal to 165 n. 165 n. Now this 165 will move towards the left hand side, and 360 will take in on the right hand side. So 360 will become positive here, and 165 will become negative. So 180 n minus 165 n will be equal to 360. 180 n minus 165 n will be equal to 360 degree. So 180 minus 165 n. So therefore that means 15 n will be equal to 180 n minus 165 is what? 15 n. 15 n will be equal to 360 degree. So n will be equal to 360 degree divided by 15. Okay, divided by 15. You can easily divide them. 15 2s are 30. Okay, then 6 will carry here, and 15 4s are 60. So 24 sides are there in that regular polygon. Therefore 24 sides are there in that regular polygon having an interior angle of 165 degree. Now question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle? A is 22 degree. That means a polygon is there where exterior angle is 22 degree, and we need to find that is it possible to have a regular polygon of such kind of exterior angle. That means 22 degree will be the exterior angle. So is it possible to have a regular polygon? So to find out the possibility, we must know the number of side of that polygon. So to calculate the number of side of the polygon, we will divide 360 by 22. That means first of all we will write in this way, that as we know that the sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. Okay, we know that the sum of all the exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. So number of sides can be calculated by 360 divided by the measure of each exterior angle. So number of side will be equal to 360 degree divided by 22. Okay, so we will divide them. First of all we divide with the help table of 2. So 2 11s are, then 2 180 times. That means 180 degree upon 11 degree. So 180 upon 11 cannot be divided further. Okay, they cannot be divided further. That means a whole number we will not obtain, and any number of side cannot be in fraction. It will be a whole number. It will not be in a fraction. That means it is not possible to make a regular polygon having an exterior angle of 22 degree. So we will write therefore, so it is not possible. Now in second question, what is given to us? Second question, we have to find that whether can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon. If it is not an exterior angle, can it be an interior angle? That means is it possible to have a 22-degree angle as an interior angle of a regular polygon? So that also we will find out. How we will find out? We will write that sum of, since we know that the sum of all the interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay, that is the formula for the interior angle, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Sum of all the interior angle is always equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. And if we assume that the measure of each angle is 22, now that is the sum of all the interior angles. Suppose you want to find measure of each angle, therefore measure of each angle will be equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree and divided by n, where n represent the number of sides. N is equal to what? Number of sides of that polygon. Now we will find out whether is it correct or not. So now this, if this is the measure of n minus 2 into 180 upon n is the measure of each interior angle of the regular polygon, then it must be equal to 22 degree. Okay, so n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree divided by n is equal to 22 degree, and bracket you can write, since we have assumed that, since we have assumed that each interior angle is 22 degree. Okay, now we will we will solve the equation, that is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree will be equal to 22 degree n, that means 22n. Okay, n will cross multiply to the right hand side. Now 180 degree will multiply inside the bracket, so you will obtain 180n minus 360, it is equal to 22n. This implies that 180n and this 360 will move towards the right hand side, it will become positive, and 22 will shift in the left hand side, so it will become negative. So 180 minus 22n, 180n minus 22n will be equal to 360. So 180 minus 22, so it will be 158n is equal to 360 degree. Now n will be equal to 360 and 158 will be in the denominator, so divided by 158. Okay, now we will see whether these two values are divisible or not. Okay, so we will divide it. 2 7s are 14, then 18 will be there, 2 9s are 18. Okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16 and 0, that means 180 divided by 79. 180 divided by 79, that means there is no whole number, they cannot be further divided, that means they are not divisible. So here we will write, since the number of sides cannot be a fraction, therefore it is not possible. Okay, so today's homework is you have to practice all these questions and complete your fair copies. Write down all the questions in your fair copies with a proper neat and clean work. Thank you.